Math quiz question. Question number 1. 4 multiplied by 6. Option A 22, option B 24, option C 25, option D 26. The correct answer is option B 24. Question number 2. 5 multiplied by 8 is equal to option A 40, option B 35, option C 25 and option D is 30. Correct answer is option A 40. Question number 3. 6 multiplied by 6 is equal to option A 36, option B 38, option C is 32, option D is 34. The correct answer is option A 36. Question number 4. 6 multiplied by 9 is equal to option A 52, option B 54, option C 58 and option D is 57. Correct answer is option B 54. Question number 5. 7 multiplied by 8 is equal to option A 42, option B 57, option C is 56, option D is 60. The correct answer is option C 56. Thank you for watching this video.